Hello. Lately, I've been watching a lot of Sonic Boom content. The cartoon itself, a few YTP reactions, and I had a feeling like, oh, someone recently requested a Sonic Boom reaction, I believe. So I went looking through comments on my channel for my mention of Boom, and I found a comment long ago, 11 years ago, from Paper Rag or Palette Blockhead, who I like the entry apparently for the 90s collab, who requested a reaction for the collab hosted by him, I guess. Sonic Boom YTP collab. And I rejected because he had less than 100 subscribers. Which, yeah, that was very rude of me. I feel guilty for that. Remember, I did that. Like, I didn't even do that. One thing I can think of is that back then I was very stupid in the way I made reactions. I would record separately on my camera, separately audio on my computer, and then combine the video of myself, the video of the collab, and of the video of the audio from the microphone on computer, and then render it all over the night because my PC was rather slow. And I guess I was burned by collabs or works by creators, poopers with a low number of subscribers because they were felt like a waste of time or low effort, low quality YTPs. And now I can finally figured out I can just record in OBS directly from my camera and from my screen. And so yeah, Palette Blockhead, Paper Rag, whichever. I even, the name Palette, it reminds me, I somehow have positive feelings. As if we, maybe in Discord, in YTP Community Hangout, did we meet? Or just seeing positive entries in different collabs. Well, yeah, I wanted to apologize for that. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. And would like to record the reaction now. Because, yeah, I should have done that back then as well. But, yeah, just trying to fix it. Yuli. I never remember watching Yuli in French. It doesn't seem right.
What exactly is this place? This is paradise.
Check this out! A secret room!
Yeah, that joke's a bit drags on. It's not even in PNG. Oh, my ears.
Amy, Knuckles, go left.
Give me a sec.
Yes.
I'm on it. Oh, Sonic! You know what's better than an ambush? The post-ambush!
Ambush!
What the fuck?
Yeah.
got the part where it was all sauce.
Might have accidentally unleashed him on the world.
Not cool, Sonic.
This place gives me the creeps.
Relax. It's not like anything's gonna jump out at you.
The needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few.
Yeah, you keep thinking that.
It was there supposed to be some audio?
Outweigh the needs of the few.
Yeah, there's some audio, but I can't hear it because it's too quiet.
Yeah, you keep thinking that.
Backslash! Help!
Yeah, that's a funny one.
Gotcha. I'm slipping. I've got you. I can't hold on much longer.
It should be the tails.
We found the location for the cliff. It's across the cliff.
How do you just keep appearing out of nowhere?
Because I am
Batman.
It's what he does.
Just take a minute to soak it in. Okay, let's go.
Hand them over.
Not gonna happen, Snake Breath.
Snake am I. Perhaps you
I'll show you how snake I can be.
Go back. Not cool, Sonic.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but I'm pretty sure it's a bad thing.
What's he talking about?
What are you waiting for? Oh, Sonic! You know what's better than an ambush?
An ambush with ice cream.
Delicious. But no! The post-ambush ambush! Ambush, ambush, ambush! Ambush, ambush! Ambush!
Of course.
Yeah!
MLG.
You can't.
Wow, you look like you're Pac-Man.
Whoa.
Prepare to be destroyed!
Disc. Sonic shit himself in the force field.
Whoa.
Prepare to be destroyed by
So what? He's gonna ping us with flamethrowers or something?
No!
Oh, ass.
No!
Incendiary grenades.
No! Fingers! Sonic! Man!
Was it Barney?
For all new adventure is survival and evil.
Can't lose me. A speeding swing surprise. Could have extra
Hi. There she is.
Large with cheese.
Hero!
One man
Do that on purpose!
where speed is survival.
What?
In a world in Sonic
Whoa.
and his crew.
Do egghead.
Sparkish.
Whoa. gonna burn me with acid grenade throwers?
No.
Oh, incendiary.
No.
Ball, ball. Ball, ball. You can't lose me, egghead. Whoa.
It all ends here, old friend.
Prepare to be destroyed by Clawbots.
So what, he's gonna burn me with false advertising or something?
Flamethrower? Well, no.
Pinchatron 9000.
I name the robot Sonic.
Burn box.
Oh no!
Yeah, of course. Couldn't be Sonic without Sonic. Okay. Then I'll lower the volume.
Bot.
So what, he's gonna burn me with Clawbots ass?
Sauce. Burn box.
Sauce. Oh.
Sonos.
Hey, buddy. Go.
Sus. All in those things. You cannot be my sidekick.
You can kick my ass. You both can shit on my kids.
Give up, Eggman.
I'm not here to be Sonic's sidekick. I'm Sonic's.
Yep, run. That's not even an opening, that's just like the title screen of the game.
Hi, Mark. Awkward silence. Oh, oh boy, how I love it so.
Can't... Yeah, I can't hear anything here. Again.
Pal, I'll get you home. Sis, won't let anything like this happen to you again. And then...
Sauce. I'm great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, I've got some great news.
Look at my invisible gun.
Put your thumb in the air, your finger over there. I love that meme. Although it should have been more distorted. Oh, it's a new year. Huh.
Pony.
And I wish you'd take a...
Alright, it was those times.
And I wish you'd take a...
Should I use my meteor defense system? You have a meteor defense system? Wildfire. Fire.
Yeah, it's fire. Okay, yeah, and of course, as to the camera, yeah. Oh boy, I do feel younger again.
Fire!
From when I was from all those pony. Oh, sure brings out memories.
Start with the meteor one. Tinfoil. Tinfoil. Someone left.
Yeah.
It's Letterman.
Letter. I don't know what letter is it. It's...
Oh, what do you want?
Oh, wait, I can't read.
In honor of Sis, the mayor
Cordially invites you
to the award.
Shiny.
Why, thank you, Madam Stinkbottom.
More like goat cheese and a red cruddy.
My dear chap, what a marvelously comical witticism.
Red.
You have the
Comical witticism.
Red.
Oh, cool Otako, man. I remember. Great guy, great guy.
You have the audacity to say what we're all thinking.
Award.
The award.
How did you get nominated? Let's just say I
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to
Big red button.
Leroy the Turtle. Yes.
Yeah, spin. Scary slow-mo.
Awkward.
Hey, Sonic, you there?
Can he do it?
I don't know that fighting game, but fighting game references, they also always funny. Ah, that was nasty.
Sonic and Knuckles, prepare to face the most fearsome destructive force ever to grace this or any other world. Doctor Doom is coming, I assure you. Here it is now. This is
Sparta! Oh man, that brings me so back. It's like the one of the first things I saw when I only like discovered the internet.
It's a cat.
bots capable of
Sticky, but good.
Really good.
Want to guess my secret ingredient?
It's a trap!
And gravely ill. All I have are my...
Sonic, my laser gun did not receive them.
Yeah, this is the video is widescreen, but the cartoon itself is in widescreen, but it's been uploaded as in 4:3, and then it's was made back into full screen. You could have just zoomed in, but I guess that's just how the times were back then. We did what we could to get sources back then.
Hey, leave him alone. He just...
No, Sonic. They're right. Well, except for sticks and that's and that. Why do we have to have this discussion every single time? It malfunctioned.
Это же антипуп. Ах ты ленивая задница.
Tails? You okay, buddy? Hey, guys, go easy on Tails. So we made a mistake. I mean, haven't you ever... Tails, have you even tested it yet?
Don't worry, it'll work. That's not good.
I should have taken that log rolling class.
I'm sorry. It malfunctioned.
Maybe it didn't malfunction. Isn't even
Oh, now you combine it from the because it's from the same episode. That's actually clever editing.
Tails. What if he's one of those sleeper agents? A mole pretending to be a fox. A fox mole. Ow! Quit! Hey, leave him alone. He just knows, Sonic. You're right.
Sunshine, the feel you can.
Barker, entrepreneur, owner, and ringmaster of T.W. Barker's Circus of Wonders.
Tails, come in. We're joining the circuit.
But I don't get the joke of randomly putting in Shocked Eddie, and I don't get why there was randomly Spartan mix of Patrick.
Ooh, me! What am I gonna be? An acrobat? A lion tamer? A magician performing illusions the likes of which nobody has ever seen!
You'll be a sad clown. Sad clown? I see what's going on here. You didn't need a ring job.
I'm the littlest fairy! Ting! It's not funny, it's sad! You're supposed to sympathize with the sad clown!
Yes, you should. And you will.
Hey, what's the big idea?
See, to catch lightning in a bottle. So I had to special order this bottle from a mutual friend of ours.
The sphere of fear from Eggman Industries is unbendable, unbreakable, unmeltable, and it's yours for just 6 easy payments. Plus shipping and handling. That's how we get you.
My ego
All right.
field. Nothing can penetrate it. No force on Mobius can damage it.
What's it for?
You forgot one thing, Barker! Me!
Did I? Oh, sweet, compassionate Amy Rose. Think of the children.
The children.
Hey, that's not gonna work on me this time. So is this a regional tour, or...?
Oh, and
Who's gonna take it downtown? Knuckles, that's who.
I don't get it.
Listen, Cloud Missile. Listen, Cloud Missile. Listen, Cloud Missile.
Техно-вайкинг.
Listen plays to my strengths of taking horrible... painful...
Here comes the sun.
Fuck!
That was fun. Let's get the blunt. That's funny. No, died again. Everyone is dying. Dying all day long.
Don't give me that look.
Oh wait, and the logo is a GIF. Huh.
Oh, God!
Every single missile hit the target!
And so it begins.
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast, too fast, too fast, too fast, too faster!
What's the matter, Sauce?
Enough
You
with
were
the
saying-
sauce.
I didn't mean that literally. It was a taunt. Saying it was a taunt. Saying taunt.
Every single missile hit the target!
Give me a sec. I'm on it. Toodles! Toodles! Man!
Mem.
Sauce.
Sauce.
What are those things?
We f***ed some of them before.
What, without us? You guys must have really pissed him off.
Do not attempt to move or we'll be shooting ourselves.
No!
Let's get out of here.
Not cool, sus.
Yay!
It is. It still is. And so is Sas, and so is Aninia.
You.
You know that meme with the stock image of the guy like...
You.
Now I'm convinced it's a bad thing.
You forgot the sauce.
Enough with the sauce!
What just happened?
I was saving you.
Tails, friendship bracelets? Now?
Power of friendship. Yeah.
Finally, I can turn off this dreck.
Is this like some official dance or is this fan made? Some joke at the end? Well, you know, think about that. It's good thing I didn't watch it back then, because I would have been a lot more ruder and critical and more harsh. But I still should not have responded it like that, like I did. Because, like, you know, yeah, this collab is well, some jokes could have been cut out, I think, that go on for too long. Some entries are too loud, while the others are barely audible, you know. It's definitely a first step. Say it's like that. You know what's meant to... I feel like I should see what are you up to now, Palette. Because I recognize the name. I feel like I recognize... you're making Sonic analysis videos? Sonic... Oh, no, they were long ago. They was some time ago. Not been. I feel like I should check out something newer and analysis video. I will not go into watch a almost an hour long analysis video about Sonic. But what I am curious about is Sonic Adventure YTP, because I like Sonic Adventure Deluxe. That's like literally one of the first games that I played ever on my PC. Yeah, and it's a widescreen fix, cool. Very. I'd rather be forced to listen to the mixtape of Katy Perry, or how did that song go? I used to carry that on my phone with some other Smosh songs. Oh yeah, it's on. Yep, the meme.
Oh, this is.
Yeah, this is happening. That's how.
Lock on target, man! Ready?
Because, because Chaos can turn into a tentacle monster, so that's, yeah.
Oh no!
Man, that video, this cutscene to Chalmy appeared to be so amazing. Like, wow, look, the bullets, they're falling off from him. Wow, and the rain. Oh, it's amazing. Wait, what?
Oh no!
Oh, wait, they have Chaos as well as weapons.
Our weapons are used! Retreat! Open it up! Oh, yeah!
Oh my god! What's wrong with your face? You know, fool! It's Cake, the god of Despacito!
Stupid. It's funny how the black square is just... how the widescreen fix interferes with the black square that's meant to do the fade in. I love this theme when Tails is falling. It's, I believe, from Race as well. This. No, no.
Watch out! You're gonna crash!
Funny.
Tails.
I remember that sometimes on my PC the game would freeze the entire PC, like blue screen on the first Eggman fight, the one where he jumps into the impales into the ground at Tails' house,
You just crashed. Tails?
Yeah, the lip syncing was very funny.
Not just use my whoa!
If it isn't sus!
Look, it's a giant...
Oh, this theme is so cool. Man, Eggman got style.
Silence!
I am Dr. Robotnik, the greatest...
Whatever you say, Eggman.
Silence! I am Dr. Robotnik.
You're always up to no good. Now what do you want?
Snooping as usual.
Well, that wasn't so hard.
Come on, Chaos! Time to eat your meat!
Aww.
His tongue
Increases every time I feed him a
cake with all 7 dicks in him. He'll be gay, and me together will destroy my butt, and on its ruins I'll build Buttland, where my dick will rule it all.
Oh no, you don't!
He fucked it.
Sonic! Oh man, what happened? That's no good.
Hey, Knuckles, what's up?
That is... Yo! But Knuckles, drugs are bad.
Knuckles, what's up? Oh no, the cat!
Oh no. Give me your best shot. Oh no. Oh no. Give me your best shot.
That's a Chaos Emerald.
You fool! You are practically gay!
Now I have 4 lovely emeralds. No, 4 emeralds, you big loser.
Chaos! Chaos! Chaos!
Ah, ribota, despacito. Behold the flying boot.
Behold my floating...
For some reason, in like there was a broken Russian translation that they played here, and he says, "Behold the flying boot."
The egg carrier!
There's grips. Yeah. Oh yeah, Sky Chase. You're not Tails.
You're not who I'm looking for.
You're not Tails.
Long time no see! Look here! It says, you trapped it in free!
To 2020.
Cute what?
It says, you trapped it in free!
Oh, cute traps probably, I'm guessing. Yeah, I get the joke.
Let's go!
Roger!
Who's Roger? He's talking to me.
Because the voice actor is named Roger.
Whoa! This thing is really... So here we go!
Man, that Ed Carey music is so cool.
Get a load of this!
And just all music in Sonic, really. Aha! Get a load of this! Aha! I can't believe this! Man, that was so cool. It's like, I like all the machines and robots and stuff.
It's changed shapes! Did you see that?
Ain't no fucking shit! The only way you can fuck me is through the sky.
Sky deck. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum, bam, da-da-dum, da-da-dum.
Sickest no way! I can't believe! I can't believe! I can't believe!
He survives falls so well in this game, really. Oh boy. Ooh. I unfortunately cannot guess.
What's this?
It's terrible! It's terrible! It's terrible!
I don't know who that is.
Well, if it isn't my path.
Viper. Yeah. Oh, there's definitely have been like, cause like that's 7 years ago, so that's from the oh Really? I don't remember if I reacted to that one. But yeah, there's definitely been improvements in the 4 years between the last one and between the collab and this video. And if I ever feel like watching a Sonic video essay, I'll watch yours. So yeah, again, sorry for saying all that 11 years ago, you know. Sorry, yeah, sorry.